Hello everybody! Magandang tanghali, magandang buhay po sa lahat. Kumusta po ang bawat isa? Happy lunchtime. It's lunchtime na here. Alas 12. Alas 12. 12. Kaya kain tayo ng lunch. Kain tayo ng salad na ampalaya. Magandang buhay po sa lahat mga kapatid, kapamilya. Kumusta po ang bawat isa? Sama mo tayo naroon. Kain tayo. Ito. Kain tayo ng ampalaya. Ayan, di ba? Crunchy, crunchy. Ito. Ayan. Salad. Salad lang tayo. Maaga tayo nag-lunch ngayon. Sakto alas 12. Salad na may itlog at saka tawag nito? Crab balls. Ampalaya. Fresh ampalaya. Na may kamatis at saka sibuyas. Crunchy crunchy kasi fresh. Tsaka hindi siya mapait. Kaya mas gusto ko yung ampalaya pagka ganito salad siya kasi hindi siya mapait. Unlike pag nailuto na siya, may pait na. Boiled egg. Tapos nilagyan lang ng paminta at saka konting asin. Pag partner nito is kanin, ay masarap yun, may bagoong. Ngayon, 2 million in the house. Shout out po. Kain po tayo mga kapatid, kapamilya. Kain tayo ng ampalaya. Ampalayang fresh. Masarap siya kasi hindi siya mapait. Tapos pag kanin ang i-partner mo nito, naku po. Mas masarap pagka may bagoong. Kaso hindi ko na nilagyan ng bagoong kasi salad lang naman siya. Say yeah. Hello po. How are you, my friend? Good day. Thank you so much. Shout out, shout out. Say yeah. Say yeah. Let's eat. Let's have lunch. I don't know. Yeah, shout out 4 million in the house. Hello, hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon, good day, good evening. I don't know. Wherever you are. Blessed day. Lunch. 5 million in the house. Shout out everybody. Anong ulam nyo? What's for lunch out there? What is that, brother? See the med kit 6286. Ayan, shout out, shout out. Hello po, thank you so much. What do you wanna get? At Zaye. Tawa ng tawa. What do you wanna get? You wanna get some ampalaya? You know ampalaya? Bitter gourd? Salamat. Sayed. Okay. Yeah, because I can see it from here. It just say yeah. Get some food. Get some food and eat, brother. Are you from here in Middle East also? Maybe. Or the UAE. We're in UAE, brother. Say it. Yan, ang ating viewers number 3. Shout out po. How are you? Have a good day. Yan sa ating 5 million in the house. 9 million in the house. Shout out, shout out. Yeah, it's a Wednesday today. Wednesday live. While eating. Food, I guess, yeah. Get some food and let's eat. Abu Dhabi, you're in Abu Dhabi. Okay. Get well soon. Thank you. What's your number 3? Yeah. How's everything going on there? How's everyone? Yeah, it's already lunchtime. Okay, let's eat. Say the medkit 6286. Yes, I am home. I'm home having lunch. Give me a piece. A piece of bitter gourd. Do you eat bitter gourd? Bitter gourd salad. See this? I don't know if you eat this. Ampalaya. We call it ampalaya. It's fresh. Yeah, see? It's cut into very thin slices with some tomato, onions, egg, and crab balls. So that's my lunch for today. Yeah, bitter gourd is good when it's fresh. Unlike when it's cooked, it's a bit bitter now. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the like. Thank you. I can't see the name of this. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bumaba na yung mga iba. Salamat sa mga pasilip-silip sa ating live. Magla-live ulit tayo ng mga kahit 12 minutes. It's just you. Yeah, is it just you or your family is here in the house? Everybody in the house. everyone in the house. Salamat sa mga pasilip-silip sa ating live. Thank you so much. Sa mga manonood, kung meron man. Wala man tayo masyadong viewers dito sa YouTube. Pero sige lang. Live lang tayo kahit walang manonood. Kain mo na lang yan, kabsat. Kailangan natin mag-live. Kasi wala tayong mga upload na mahaba. Puro short videos na lang. I'll give you ampalaya. This is for you. Ampalaya and kamatis. Tomato. And a bitter gourd. And some onion. Yan. Sa 9 million viewers, shout out po. Thank you. Yeah. Naka 11 minutes na rin pala tayo. Mababa na kasi yung watch hour natin dito sa YouTube. Kaya kailangan natin mag-live. Para tumaas naman yung natin. Analytic natin puro na siya. Napabayaan siya eh. Hindi siya nalalagyan ng mga videos na mahahaba. Salamat sa nag-iisang like dyan, kapatid. Yung mga pasilip-silip, thank you. Naka 12 minutes na tayo. At least kasi kung mahaba-haba siya konti, mas nakakatamad naman na mag-live ng 1 oras. Saan ba galing ito mga viewers natin ngayon? Mostly naman na hindi na mga subscriber. Gusto. Nagre-review si Lolo. Oh. View message. What does it mean? At Lance Gaming 1, ano kinakain mo? Shout out po, kapatid. Ampalaya po. Ampalaya na salad. Tapos may itlog at saka crab balls. May kamatis at saka sibuyas. So yun po yung ating lunch today. Ba't ayaw ma-hide itong natin moderator? Na-hide naman na pala itong isang. Yung mga kumusta po at lunch gaming 1? Yan, umalis na sila. Thank you so much at Lance Gaming 1. Ayan, thank you so much sa panonood. Naka 15 minutes na po tayo, so I will end na this live. Kaya salamat sa mga manonood. At saka mga manonood pa. Kung meron man. Thank you so much and have a good day po sa lahat. Yan, may God bless us all po. So, wherever we are, ingat-ingat po tayo. Ayan. Sa bansang Pilipinas ngayon is may part na talagang malakas po yung ulan. Kaya, let's stay alert and safe. Bye-bye and God bless everybody. Yan, meron pa tayong 2 viewers dyan sa nanonood. Thank you and God bless po. Ay, ba't connected?